Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Professor Melika. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the verse that is found in Genesis chapter 18, I think verse 16. I'll have to go back and check. But this verse is found in the book of Genesis, and in this verse, God he states that he is not going to destroy the city of Sodom if there are any 50 people found that are righteous. And so I hold on to the promises of the Lord, and I believe that when the Lord looks upon the work that is happening in this time, and when it comes to the destruction of Jerusalem and the wars and the rumors of wars that are happening in the world today, as for example, I as one person, and I think I represent a type of people who look at the things that are happening, and if it is my job to talk about it, I talk about it, and if it is my job to be aware and go to places of safety, then I go to places of safety, then God is not going to destroy me. So I want to hold on to these promises that God states in his word, so that I can be encouraged, and I can be motivated, and I can be very happy just knowing that in everything that I do and decide to do, if it is God's will and it's according to his precepts and his instructions in his word, then he is going to bless my efforts when I do what I do, because I'm obeying him. So that is a verse I want to hold on to now. If there are any 50, I want to be in that 50. 50 is a symbol of Pentecost as I understand it, because when you look at Pentecost, I think, is at the number 50. So I want to hold on to those promises, the promises of the Lord. And so if you like more of these verses that are encouraging, that share about the promises and the affirmations of what God says in his word he will do for us, then like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.